Jeremiah from Overland Pioneers, and we want to show you how we outfitted the back of our XVenture XV3. One of the items we will be mounting is the Clearsorce Nomad water purifier. Since it has rubber feet, we'll be using these screw knobs to tighten it down. We will also be mounting our large Zarges foot locker that the wife and I use for all of our clothing. We'll be using this beefy mounting hardware by Zarges. Another item permanently mounted in the back will be this Nash Fuel 20-pound propane tank holder that will be specifically used for our LavaBox propane fire pit. We are only going to use a few items for this install. Our DeWalt drill, a step-up bit, and some washers and some self-tapping screws. First, we're going to dry fit the foot locker into place so that we can open the lid, get it close to the side, and still close the back door. Plus between the foot locker and the sidewalls where we'll store our cook partner griddle. Best part about this install is there are tons of cross braces underneath of this trailer with 1/4-inch aluminum to tap into. Securing this box is a breeze. For the water purifier, we used the step-up bit to jolt 2 holes in the center of the cross beams on the bottom of this, and it just happened to work out perfectly where both of these feet went into more cross members, making this a very sturdy install. And lastly, we're going to mount our Nash Propane Mount to the rear back area where it's easily accessible, because this is one of the most used items on our trips. Some quick bungee strap tie-ins, and we're done. One last case that's not getting hard mounted is our Galley Box that's going to be mounted towards the back left closest to the galley system. And that's it. Still leaves room for chairs, wall kits, and plenty of other things to store.